Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix apps name not showing on iPhone in iOS 18 beta update. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version of iOS 18 and you are facing a problem like your app's name is not showing on your iPhone home screen. So guys, in this video I'll show you how can you fix this issue. So guys, let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, for that you have to just simply press and hold the home screen. So guys, simply tap on here and hold on it, and after that guys, you can see here the option of edit. So guys, simply tap on it, and from here guys, you can see the option of add widget and customize. So guys, simply tap on customize, and from here guys, simply select small from here. So guys, after selecting small, here you can see the app's name is displayed on home screen. So guys, in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.